Sam Bankman-Fried files notice of appeal for FTX trial, requests to stay in Brooklyn federal jail. Julia Smith last updated, April 11, 2020 4:16:17 ET 2-minute read. Disgraced FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried officially filed his notice of appeal for his FTX trial on April 11 and is requesting to stay in a Brooklyn, New York prison to be closer to his legal team. Sam Bankman-Fried formally files FTX trial appeal. In the court filing, lawyers for Bankman-Fried formally filed to appeal his 25-year prison sentence following the FTX fraudster's grueling landmark fraud trial last fall. Meanwhile, in an additional court filing, attorneys for the FTX founder requested that Judge Louis A. Kaplan keep Bankman-Fried at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn to facilitate access to his appellate counsel as he works to overturn his sentence. In addition to SBF's 25-year prison sentence, Judge Kaplan, who originally suggested that the former king of crypto could be placed in a medium-security prison in his home state of California, ordered Bankman-Fried to pay an estimated $11 billion forfeiture. Following his guilty verdict in November 2023, Bankman-Fried vowed to vigorously fight the charges brought against him. The worst prison in the USA. During his sentencing, lawyers for Bankman-Fried called the Metropolitan Detention Center the worst federal jail in the country, with prisoners having experienced issues such as lack of access to water and poor electricity. According to the FTX founder's lawyers, he has struggled to find food that works for his vegan diet in prison, relying solely on water, peanut butter, and bread for sustenance. Conditions of Bankman-Fried's life in prison were largely used in his defense prior to his sentencing, with a February court filing alleging that the FTX founder was uniquely vulnerable in prison due to his diagnosis of autism spectrum disorder (ASD). Because individuals with ASD may have difficulty responding to certain social cues and contexts, they are at risk from both other inmates and prison guards who may view their failure to respond appropriately to social cues as disrespectful or disobedient, the court filing read. Lawyers for Bankman-Fried have also claimed the FTX founder never intended to harm anyone and would dedicate his post-prison life to charitable works, finding the best ways to help others, consistent with his commitment to effective altruism. Sam Bankman-Fried company conspirator to face sentencing. Meanwhile, former FTX CEO Ryan Salim will be the first of SBF's company conspirators to face legal punishment for his role in the crypto scandal when he is sentenced on May 28. Currently, Salim is out on a $1 million bond after pleading guilty in September 2023 to violating campaign finance laws and operating an unlicensed money transmitting business. The latest legal move by Bankman-Fried's camp signifies the formal start of what is sure to be a lengthy appeal process for the FTX founder. At the time of publication, it is unclear when SBF will next appear in court. Follow us on Google News.